Today we will be teaching you how to name type 1, type 2, type 3, and type polyatomic compounds. Type 1 compounds contain a metal and a nonmetal with no transition metals. For example, to get the formula of a type 1 compound, like potassium chloride, you will need the element symbol, potassium, which is K, and chlorine, which is CO. The charge of potassium is +1, and the charge of chloride is -1. So the formula would just be KCO. If you have a type 1 compound formula, like MgO, to go from the formula to the name of the compound, we know that Mg is magnesium from our periodic table, and the symbol for O is oxygen. The type 1 compounds all end in "ide", so oxygen would change to oxide to get to magnesium oxide. Next we will be naming type 2 compounds. Type 2 compounds contain a transition metal and a nonmetal. To go from a name to a formula like nickel to oxide, we know that the symbol for nickel is Ni and the charge is 2, and the symbol for oxygen is O and the charge is -2. So the formula would be NiO. To go from a formula like Fe2O3 to a name, we know from our periodic table that Fe is iron and O is oxygen. All type 2 compounds end in "ide", so we would change oxygen to oxide.
To get a type 3 formula from the name, like oxygen dibromide, we know that oxygen symbol is O and bromine is Br. The di in dibromine means 2, so the 2 would be the subscript to get OBr2.
Then to go from the formula to the name, like Ni3, we know that N is nitrogen and I is iodine. The 3 is the charge for iodine, so we would change the name to triiodide because all the type 3 compounds end in iodide to make nitrogen triiodide. Next we will teach you how to name type 4 compounds, also known as type polyatomic compounds. These types of compounds contain metals and polyatomic ions. To get to the formula for cesium nitrate, we know that the symbol for cesium is Cs, and the formula for nitrate is NO2. The formula would be CsNO2 because they both have a +1 charge. Then to go from the formula to the name, like COClO3 we know that CO is cobalt and ClO3 is the polyatomic ion chlorate, and the 2 means that cobalt has a charge of 2, so it'd be cobalt 2 chlorate.